All right, guys, so I'm here with a new video. This is actually going to be a Get Unready with me with MER, okay? So, because of the Nordy anniversary sale, I was like, you know what? I want to try MER because they got an item that's going for about $1,300 on sale, and it's their moisturizer cream. So, I'm like, I need to see what that do. So, I ordered their little kit for $98, and yes, I had to put on my Versace. So coming to the stage, 5'3" from Buffalo, New York, is Tatum Marie. Yes, because I felt this was going to be a little bougie video. So I put on my Versace. So I have my Versace robe on and I'm just putting water to my face. And I'm like, hold up. I need to put my bonnet on, okay? I need to put my bonnet on, okay? So, Monique, don't come for me. I'm at home with the bonnet on. I'm not outside. I'm inside, okay? So, don't come for me, Miss Monique, okay? So, I'm just putting my bonnet on. This bonnet is super, super cute. I got from the beauty supply store, and I figured it would match my robe. And I'm first just starting off with a cleanser. And the cleanser, it smells so good. You see me? I'm like, that's some good cleanser right there. And everybody was telling me, yeah, Tina, the cleanser's good, so you're gonna fall in love with it. And I ain't believe y'all. But now here I am. I'm using the cleanser and I'm like, ooh, that's nice. That's nice. You want to make sure you get underneath your neck too. That's a very important area to get as well. And look at me. Look at me. Yep. At that moment, I fell in love, y'all. I'm telling you. And then I added a little bit more water. The little bit more water, it did help make it more foamier. But man, it smelled amazing using it. My skin felt good. I'm even feeling my skin right now. My skin feels super, super soft. So, yes, that is definitely a hit, the cleanser in this line. So, after you put the cleanser all over your face, you want to go ahead and just use a rag, get it down. You know, my rag is say blessed. I do not play. I am blessed, okay? Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up. Like seriously, I feel blessed. So yes, that is the towel that I'm using just to wipe everything off my face. You know, my little washcloth and things. And look how good my skin looks just by using the cleanser. Just by using the cleanser, my skin looks really, really good. And I'm like, yeah, that's it. That's her right there. Like, I'm really feeling the cleanser a lot. I love it. So, yeah, we're going to move on to the next step in the process. So, the next step in the process, I really didn't know what it was because they didn't really label everything. So, I'm just going to go in with this one, and it's like some type of oil that you use. It's like a toning oil lotion or something it was called. So, I'm using that as my next step, trying to avoid my full-on eye area and just putting it everywhere else. And then I let it sit for, I think it was like about a minute and a half. I let it sit because it didn't have any really clear instructions. So I said, don't use too much and let it sit for a second, then move on to the next step. I didn't have any of their eye cream. It didn't come with it. So I'm just using my Chanel Sublimage. Y'all know I love my little Chanel line. You know, I'm a Chanel junkie. I'm a Chanel junkie. Okay, I am. I'm a Chanel junkie. I can't even front. Like I just love Chanel. It's something about Chanel that's just so classic. It make you feel like you bougie. It make you feel like you rich if you got some Chanel on. Like y'all, it's just something about Chanel. It's just timeless and classy, and I just love it. So you use your ring finger and you apply the sublimage underneath your eyes. I don't recommend falling in love with sublimage because it is extremely expensive. I got the kit last year, was it, or at the beginning of this year? It was like $360 for the kit. And we're just going to keep it moving. I'm not going to talk about that because this is not about Chanel. Then we're going to just use this oil. So you want to put the oil throughout your face, and then you want to put it on the décolleté area as well, in an upward motion. Now, Tina, if you can just get to doing the steps so people can see what you're doing, and it stank. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at me, how you see it? It stank. That's that it stank face. Y'all see me make it, right? It stank. I don't like the smell of it. It don't do it for me, so I don't even know how much it regularly costs, but I wouldn't be paying for it because I don't like the smell. But it goes away really quickly. Like it doesn't last. It doesn't stick around. But when it's going on, it stank. But I like it. Like, look at it. Look at it. Look at my skin. Yeah, like I'm feeling myself now. I'm feeling myself, okay? Now, let's get to the star of the show. This is the thing that was on sale. $1,200. Second ingredient, mineral oil. Mineral oil is the second ingredient. And it's going for $1,200 on sale. So I need to see what this thing do. So it comes with a little applicator. You see me? I put that on that applicator and I'm like, that's going to do that whole face. That applicator amount, it need to do the whole face. I should have never even put this much, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm using this thing sparingly. Very sparingly because, y'all, uh-uh, uh-uh, uh-uh. But I didn't pay that kind of money for this set. Again, this set was only $98, so I could try it out. Trying it out for $98. But I could tell you this. You see that? You see that head nod I gave y'all? Yeah. This was the moment I knew I was in trouble. Because this good. Like, y'all, I ain't even gonna cap. I like this. I like this moisturizer. You see me, I'm over here thinking hard. Like, I'm making life decisions right now while I'm using this moisturizer, making life decisions, okay? But I can't think about $1,200. I don't know about all that. But, man, it's good. Like, seriously, that's a really nice moisturizer. I do like it. I ain't even gonna cap. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, T. Okay, T. I see you. And then, of course, I need to do my lips afterwards. Of course, it's Chanel. It's Chanel, baby. So I'm going to put Chanel on the lips as well. I love using this as a part of my routine for morning and night. I don't take it with me on the go. It's just used for my routines to make sure my lips are moisturized. So, yeah, that's my little routine using that expensive MER line. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think it looked good. I think my skin looks really good. And, I'm doing my little thug thizzle. You know what I'm saying? I do what I do when I can do it. You know what I mean? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, you got to do it. What? Tell me. Rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys. Deuces. Thanks for watching.